So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you are asking that please make solutions for the Global Hack Week API challenge. So here is the solution for all these challenges, and I have created a separate playlist for all these challenges you'll find on the channel playlist. Also, I'll attach the link for the playlist in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Okay. Now also subscribe the channel for more such important updates, announcements and challenges. You can see on the channel we have covered multiple things over here. Now coming over here directly to the challenge, I'll share the challenge link also in the description box and the important resources also in the description box along with the playlist. So here what we have to do, we have to create our first blackboard.io API key. So how we have to do? First of all, you have to just click on this written instruction. And from here, first of all, you have to just go to this particular link. So just open it. Now here you have to just sign up with your registered email address. How to do it? Just click on build. Now here you have to enter your first name, enter the email, and then the company name. And after that, you have to add your promo code. So here you'll find the promo code, that is Global MLH1. So you can just copy it, paste it like this, enter the detail and just click on create account. Now after you have entered the email, you have to just check your mailbox where the mail has arrived. You have to just click and confirm your activated account. Means you have to just click on that link and your account will be activated, to be more precise. Like this, you have to just click on complete sign up and your account will be created over here. So you can see it is created. You can just skip this question, skip it and just skip it. Okay, so just go to the dashboard and from here we have got $15 credits. So we have to create API key. So just click on create API key and just create the key and the key is created. So this is our first creation. Now what we have to do, we have to take the screenshot of this particular page. Okay, just take the screenshot of this particular page and you have to just download the image. And once you have downloaded, just come back over here to this page, just click on submit your project. And here we have to upload the screenshot we just now took. Okay, upload the screenshot, just click on add new image. Just upload the image and then submit it over here. So this is how we completed the first challenge. Now we'll move forward to the second challenge, that is the next challenge, which I'll upload in another video. Okay, some of the challenges are already live on the channel. You can just check out over here. So we'll cover these challenges also. Mostly required to complete 4 to 5 challenges. Okay, out of all these challenges, 4 to 5 challenges you complete, you'll be able to get the basic swag over here. And it's very easy. Okay, so thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.